Hello guys, good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a really good day trading recap. Really good because I got in aggressive here. It was dangerous. I thought it's just gonna drop and I will hit my max loss or whatever. Because I was in really heavy here. It could have worked. Look at that. I added here for continuation. Look at that. And look, re-entered. I was out here, all out here. Re-entered. I thought it's gonna go up again. Re-entered here again. Didn't work. Again, didn't work. So it's all good. Looking at it now, it looks like it's gonna go back to VWAP. Like, I really like this number here at 25. That was really good number. I should have re-entered there, but it's all good. So I actually took it long for at the open. I actually took it long for a $25 break, but it was weak, and then I saw it rejected 25. I flipped it to short just like that, really small loss. Flipped it twice, I think, caught some of the move. I stopped out again, and I said, okay, let me pause a bit. I stopped out twice. I'm only on the second minute. Let's see what happens. It looks like it's gonna break $25. So I tried there. It pulled back a bit. My risk was actually somewhere here at the bottom, but since I added a few more, my risk should be just right at 70 area or 75. So if I lose the $70 area, it's gonna drop here and I'm gonna lose, and I'm gonna be red for the day. But it looks like it was holding and it's gonna break 25. It was really obvious. You'll see it in the recap. And then look at that, I took majority because this is really heavy shares, so I was taking 25% actually here, because I was in heavy. So I added some of it back, and then look at those. These are the moves that actually gave me more money. And then I stopped out here, took it long again, stopped out, took it long. So these are just small shares. I'm done for the day. I just want to play around because I'm done really early, like 15 minutes I'm done, and like what to do, right? So I'm kind of learning how to do this now, so I'm doing it slowly, really small shares, stopped out. And same I did here. I'll go in 30% of my side, 30%, and then I stopped out, but my risk will be somewhere here. My full risk will be somewhere here. So it's not like I'm gonna lose a lot. So same here, took some off there, and it stopped out, and now it's doing what I wanted. It's probably gonna go to 25.60. Enough of the talking. You know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. Makes me sad that I realize 80% of my viewers are actually not subscribed. So I have some really good viewers and subscribers. They're giving me thanks. They're saying thank you for posting daily recaps, and you're welcome. And if you can support me, hit subscribe. And I'm gonna start probably doing a live stream of SPY, just to get more views, because I need 4,000 hours for me to monetize my channel. So I'm right at 1400 level now, so I think for 1400 hours now. So I probably need a lot more than that. So yeah, if you can, just watch whatever playlist I have, watch it on the background, and yeah, I'll be happy if you support me. So let's watch. Yeah, so here, as you can see, I am mainly watching PLTR. On the side, I'm actually watching APHA. I don't have any levels. I didn't want to trade this. TLR wise, I'm not going to trade any of those. So I'm closely watching just PLTR today. Yes, let's watch. So I have a level here at 25 that I was actually kind of watching. It's too far from VWAP. VWAP is somewhere at 25.69, so that's really far ahead. Pre-market moved about $2.36. Let's fast forward this a bit, just make it simple. So there you go, market, it's about to open. Let's see how much it moved. The first minute. Actually, let's watch it here, because there's volume here. There you go. Look at that volume, 8.9 million volume just at the open. So you will think kind of like it rejected 25, you will think it's going to be a short, right? So I was actually watching it. I said 8.9 volume, it only moved about 15 cents. So someone's really buying it from here, because if it's going to drop, it's going to drop, right? So I took it long there. My risk was too far, like too far. So it's not really a big size. My risk was $1, even though it's only a 50-cent move. And I said, okay, it's not really working, right? So there's volume here. Let's look at the first minute. 13 million volume. It only moved 15 cents. There's something wrong with it, right? So let's look at the other ones. No volume. Was this a TLRY? APHA, no volume. Yeah, so ignore them. So just like what I said, I posted it in YouTube. I streamed something in YouTube, and I said I'm gonna, yeah, if you can check, by the way, if you can check my YouTube, I will stream every day to see what are my watch lists. So if you want to see what I'm watching for the day, then go to my YouTube every morning, 9 a.m. Eastern time. I will probably stream what my watch list, yeah, and my scanner. And yeah, feel free to watch that if you can. So I took it long there, recognized I was kind of wrong, and I flipped it to short. My risk was a bit wide, somewhere here, right? So I took some off there, just small partial, taking small partial, see if it's really gonna move more. How much did I, yeah, so that's not a lot of profit, because it wasn't, I think it was just a 50-cent. I think I'm risking 50 cents. So I was waiting for a 24.50 break. I got a good profit here, but I didn't take it because I was waiting for 24.37. So I kind of caught 25 cents here, and then I realized, okay, I was wrong. So I stopped out immediately. I know I stopped out, and I see the round number. It's always good to have the round number, have lines on the round number, so we can immediately tell if it's gonna break or not. There, you see. So I'm in 50 cents. That's my risk. This will be my reward. So that's 2-to-1, and this will be my 1-to-1 risk. This will be my 2-to-1 reward. So this is what I needed to do. So I was in twice. You see that? So my risk will be just 25 cents. So this two, the way I enter is fixed amount. So once I enter one, it's gonna risk 1R, right? So I entered twice, it's gonna risk 2R if I stopped out. So I'm kind of like in a level of 1R loss here now. I said, okay, it looks like it's gonna test. Let's just put this in real time actually. So it looks like it's testing $25. You can see here, there's no order at $25, so they're kind of hiding. So, but I was confident it's gonna break. I said, okay, if it touches 70 area again, I might consider getting out and wait. Right? See, but they came in. All the big orders came in. I said, okay, and I see that it's really printing green, a lot of green. You see a lot of upticks. Green, green, green. You see that? Green, 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 green. 25, 25, 25. You'll see all the prints of 25. I even added one more, so I'm risking 3R here now. So if I stopped out here, I'm gonna lose 3R, right? That's quite a lot. That's 3% of my account. There you go. It's gonna break now. You see those short numbers decreasing? 60. Okay, there you go. Okay, come on. It failed. I was like, oh my god, it failed. It's now at 70 area. I was like, did it fail? Okay, I'm getting ready. It's back to 25. See, it didn't even go to 70 area, right? So I was kind of like right. So like 50% of the whole move. I touched it a bit. 25.10. I said, oh my god, I think I'm gonna get stopped. But I trusted my instinct that it's gonna break 25. Look at the volume, 4.1 million volume. Fast forward it twice. There you go. It's going to see all those shares are getting lesser and lesser. See, lesser and lesser. Now if someone hits market order in this, it's gonna just shoot up to 30. Let's see what happens. Still trying. There you go. See, 30 immediately to profit, right? High of day is 37. See, I told you if it breaks, it's gonna be heavy. There you go. I was even taking profit limit orders here. 10%, 10%. I think I'm gonna take probably 25% here. I'm up really good now. Come on. Just taking 10%. Okay, it's pulling back. Don't get shaken out. So that's kind of like VWAP, and this level here, 25.30. If it holds 25.30, that's good. Next will be 25.60 and 25.80. So that's the momentum that we were looking for, right? You have to be quick, you have to be fast. I was really happy with my decision here. Although I didn't get the whole profit, it's fine, but because my reflex is faster now. Even added in there. There you go. Come on. Give me that move. I'm looking for a dollar move. So new average is at 25.18 now, somewhere here. Yeah, because I added here, right? Took most of it and added. So new average will be somewhere here. Took some more off in there. Really, really good profit. Really good profit. Actually could have made more, but yeah, we'll get there. Like, become aggressive when we see opportunities like this. So yeah, let's just fast forward this. So taking limit orders in there, and I'm in the driver's seat, and I'm just like, okay, what to do now? Really good profit. Yeah. So imagine I'm done in like what, 12 minutes. You just have to find the right, because when you're trading like this at the open, you're always wrong 50% of the time. So stop out. Oh, sorry about that. So new average is 25.18. You can see here after the add, because I took more profit here, so I added more. So we're at the selling level. Actually, this is where I wanted to buy, just in case if it dropped here heavy. This is where I would probably go for a sign to buy. I like what kind of I did here is actually the one I wanted. So this is like a selling area now. So we're kind of like 25.80. So that's about, they moved about $1.80. Our ball is 900. That's insane. So yeah, it's gonna give you, if you're on the right side, it's gonna give you like a really good move. Yeah, so I'm all out there. Because we're right at the selling point area. It looks like probably someone's gonna probably short it, or probably short it here. So we're extended. Yeah, so since I have enough profit, actually I've decided to play around with my shares. Let's fast forward this a bit. Yeah, so I took it long there. Not a lot of shares. Oh, that was late. Yeah, I just like, okay, what am I doing? I don't want to give back any of my profit. Yeah, let's fast forward again. It looks like it's not really holding this 25.80. I was actually confident. I thought it's gonna go break 26 and go for a high of day, but it wasn't doing that. Let's fast forward this because it's taking a while. See, I tried again, took it long there. One here, one here. I think I added one more. I really want 26. So I'm not even taking profit here because I really want 26. and it dropped. See how I recognized? Okay, you will see it in time and sales. This buyer trying to hold, buyer trying to hold. There you go, it's selling. There you go, that's a sell. So you'll see it more on the 500 share filter. So I have on the side, I have a 500 share filter. You'll see the heavy moves on the side. So I stopped out there before it dropped on me. Imagine if you hold, you're just gonna give back most of your profit. Okay, let's move back. Let's go again. So I took it long again at 25. I remember 25. This was the area that we were trying to break. I even added there. I thought it was gonna break, but it didn't. And took some profit in there. So yeah, I stopped out at break even. Yeah, so nothing else actually. That's about it. Let's look at the other ones and see how they moved. This APHA. Wow, yeah, selling level was here, right? So this is kind of my sell level area. Rejected 22. You short it here. That's good. Round number is the best, man. You can just trade round numbers. Yeah, and TLRY now. Oh, about $4. Not bad. Yeah, PLTR 600 RVOL. So yeah, I got nothing else to say. Thank you for watching. If you can, subscribe to my channel. And please check out my YouTube channel and play the playlist. I need more watch hours. Let's see if I can show it to you. Yeah, so if you can, just go to YouTube, search Ryan PDT. You'll see my name in there. Go to playlist and just hit stream on the side. And put it to mute if you can. Yeah, put it to mute and just let it play. So I actually was posting which one I was trading here. So I will try to do this now, I guess. So here you will see what stocks I was watching. I just said I'm going to trade PLTR or watching PLTR, even though you will even see my list here. Let's go and put this to 1440p. So you see, these are my watch lists. This is my scan in the morning. You'll see PLTR right there. I said, okay, I'm just gonna watch PLTR, and you know, I was trying to chat with whoever's watching. Yeah, so if you can just help me play this on the background, you will see it here, and you can also play this on the background. It will help me out get more watch hours, right? So nothing else to say. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.